In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a channel to the conversations inbox in HubSpot. This process is essential for businesses looking to streamline communication and keep all interactions in one central place, making it easier to manage and distribute tasks within your team. To start, you'll want to navigate to the settings within your HubSpot account. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to adjust and customize your settings. After you've entered the settings area, look for the Inbox tab. Once there, you'll see an option for inboxes. Here, you'll need to select the inbox you want to connect a channel to. This could be an existing inbox where your team already manages communications, or a new one you're setting up specifically for a particular channel or department. Now that you're in the right inbox, it's time to connect a channel. You'll see a button that says Connect a Channel. Click on that, and you'll be presented with several options for different channel types. Depending on how your team communicates, you can choose from a variety of options like team email, chat, forms, SMS, or even WhatsApp. Each option is designed to integrate smoothly into HubSpot's system, allowing for incoming messages from those platforms to appear directly in your HubSpot inbox. After selecting your desired channel type, HubSpot will guide you through the process with on-screen instructions. This step-by-step guidance is incredibly helpful, as it outlines exactly what information and settings you need to configure to complete the connection. For example, if you're connecting a team email, HubSpot will prompt you to enter email details and verify access for smooth email integration. Similarly, configuring a chat channel might involve selecting widget appearances and locations on your website for optimal visitor interaction. It's important to carefully follow these on-screen instructions. Pay close attention to settings related to permissions and notifications to ensure your team receives messages in a timely manner and can respond promptly. The goal here is to create a seamless and efficient communication line between your customers, leads, and service teams. Setting up multiple channels is a powerful way to capture different streams of communication and can significantly enhance your customer service capabilities. By having all information centralized, team members can easily coordinate and provide comprehensive responses, ultimately creating a more satisfying experience for your customers. After you followed all the steps, make sure to double check your configuration to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once you're satisfied, your new channel will be live and ready to use, enabling your team to maintain organized, efficient, and effective communication directly through HubSpot's Conversations inbox. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how it optimizes your company's communication efforts.